Hey, I'm Becky and welcome back to Becky and Finance. Today I'm breaking down two popular investment options in Uganda, money market funds and Treasury Bills. So by the end of this video, you will decide which one works best for you. Let's first talk about money market funds. Money market funds are unit trust funds that pool money and invest in safest short-term securities. In Uganda, money market funds are offered by fund managers like UAP, Sanlam, Britam, and others. Minimum investment is 10,000 Ugandan shillings or 100,000 Ugandan shillings, depends on the fund manager you choose. Some fund managers, they need only 10K to start with, others 100K Ugandan shillings. Even those with 100K to start, sometimes after starting, then they top up. If you want to top up, some allow 50K to be topping up. And you can do after opening account, top up is when the time you want. You can easily top up anytime you want. Returns are typically around 8 to 13% annually, and it depends on fund manager and the market. Good news for money market fund, there is no any withdrawing tax, no tax from your interest. Another thing is accessible. You can withdraw in 2 to 3 working days. It is liquidity, it is good for short-term goals or savings. In the other hand, Treasury bills are government securities with fixed periods, 91 days, 182 days, and 364 days. The minimum amount you need to start investing in Treasury bills is 100,000 Ugandan shillings. To start investing in Treasury bills, you need CSD account. Returns usually range from 12% to 14% annually. It depends on the auction rate. But there is withdrawing tax of 20% on interest. Also, liquidity is moderate. You can get back your money mainly after maturity. If you want it back, you have to sell it on secondary market. Treasury bills has low risk since it is backed by the government, but also it has predictable returns since the returns are fixed. Let's do a quick comparison with money market funds and Treasury bills. For money market funds to start, you just do it online by sending a message to your fund manager you have chosen. Either the one to start with 10K or 100K depends with a fund manager. Others are 10K to start with, others are 100K. For the other side, for Treasury bills, the minimum amount to start with is 100K Ugandan shillings, and you need to open CSD account with your commercial bank. Liquidity. For money market fund, you can easily access your money in 2 to 3 working days. For Treasury bills, it's moderate. You can't access in those days, but you can sell it in secondary market. If you want money you want to fix your money and you can't access it easily, Treasury bills. If you want to access your money easily, that's money market funds. Returns. Money market funds always ranges from 8 to 13% annually. Treasury bills ranges from 12 to 14% annually. Treasury bills give higher returns compared to money market funds, but remember, money market fund is not taxed, while Treasury bills has withdrawing tax. Now, which is the best for you? Money market funds or Treasury bills? This depends on your goal. Let me give you an example. If you want to save for emergency funds, that's for short term. Every time you want to access your money in case of emergencies. So it means you have to go for money market funds since you can easily access your money in 2 to 3 working days. But if you know that money is not for emergency fund, but it's also for short-term goals or savings, like you want to buy a land, you want to buy a car in 6 months, in 1 year, you have a wedding, or you want fees for university in 1 year, or you want to do anything that is short-term, but you will not need to take the money quickly. You want it to be fixed. then go for Treasury Bills. Also, in case you have that tendency of taking your money you've saved for the goal before the time, then you can fix your money in Treasury Bills. So now we've seen that it depends on which goal. If you have the goal of short term and you need to access money very fast, money market fund. If you don't want to access that money and you want to take advantage of higher return, then lock your money with Treasury Bills. For step-by-step guidance on investing in Uganda, I'm going to put the links on my description below so that you can check full videos of all investment options in Uganda. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss my next videos. Thank you. Have a good day. See you my next video.